Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Jeff Stutzman. I'm going to talk a little bit about VPNs. So, this is a lot of there's a whole religious discussion around this, but I like the VPN. I'm going to stick with it. It's still kind of old school, but it's what I use and it's what I believe. But VPNs can be really difficult, right? So, especially on your phone, you've got to type in your password, get your two-factor, get it set up. Maybe when you're in a hotel room, you've got to take it down before you connect to the Wi-Fi, and then you can put it back up. I'm going to show you an easy way. So number one, we built a VPN here in the U.S. Our VPN system terminates outside of Boston in our own environment, and it's monitored by the Trusted Internet 24-hour cybersecurity operations center. And so many of you are already on this thing because we've been deploying it all over the place. But the what I tell people is, look, you can go buy a service. And one guy did buy a service, and he called me and says, why does LinkedIn think I'm in Amsterdam? And I said, well, what did you do? And he said, oh, I set up a WireGuard based VPN through my ASUS router. And I went, well, where does it come out? And he had no idea. And I said, well, when it comes out the other end, it becomes unencrypted. People can read that. Defeats the purpose of your VPN. So we built our VPN so it terminates in Boston, and then it's pushed over to an SSL connection where it'll stay hidden, right? So we don't have the ability to read your stuff, um, but the security comes through our FortiGate firewalls, and we can monitor for security there. Here's the best part, though, right? I'm using a WireGuard based system. There's my Mac WireGuard app. Now it's on. Now it's off. So it's not a lot of stuff. So the way that WireGuard works is it embeds a private key that we use for a factor of authentication, and then we've hidden it behind our firewalls so that it's an internal address. Um, there is going to be a public address that's shown, VPN and on your side, but the VPN itself is being run through a native backend on our side to be able to protect your privacy. And then once you're up on this, you can do whatever you want. I've got an internal site connected to this one particular thing. It's called our dark web search engine. Of course, I didn't want to expose that to the public, so you have to have the VPN code to be able to use it. Great price, $10 a user per month. Terminates in Boston, monitored by us. Smoking fast. We use this for point-to-point for camera installations. We use it for travelers. WireGuard is a UDP-based protocol, or a packet, so it can always be live. You don't have to worry about it. I can do it on my phone. Just leave it on. It connects wherever I am, and we are off to the races. Best, quick and dirty VPN service ever. $10 a month. Stay safe online at trustedinternet.io.